What up with the J-Ham gang? Today's video would be discussing what's going on in Catalina as far as like her heart wise. But before we get started with this video, I do want to say one thing, or two things, three things. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody who's watching this video. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Also, I want to say, hold your head up. If you lost somebody around the holidays, just know they're in a better place. Man, 'cause I know I lost my grandma, but I lost her, well, we lost her around, we lost her Christmas Eve, 2015. So with that being said, just, y'all hold your head up. I know it's hard, I know it's painful, but just hold it up, because if they was around right now, with all this world crisis stuff going on, boy, they'd be going crazy right now. So with that being said, just hold your head up. And just look at it like this. They still got you. You still got them. They just invisible. They just your guardian angel. Just look at it like that. Your guardian angel. They by your side on a day-to-day basis. Every move you make, they make it with you. But the second thing I wanted to add was, don't forget about the giveaway that's coming up as soon as we hit 800 subscribers on the J-Hunt page, YouTube page. As soon as we hit 800 subscribers, we will be doing a cam giveaway. It's a BTR NSR cam. With that being said, to give you extra 66 horses, proven to your motor. It's been dyno tested and everything, y'all. So if you could, go look it up. If you don't believe it, go look it up, and it'll show you everything that you need to know right there. But also, in that same sense, just say you don't even care about motors. You just support the channel just to support, which I thank you. But check this. You win that cam is priced at $350. So you got a free cam, whether you want to put it in your truck or you want to sell it. It's a cam. It's a win-win situation. You don't lose nowhere. So you can sell it and you flip. You got $350 in your pocket cash. Or you can just get the cam and put it in your truck. Now you got a little sound to your truck and you got a little pep to it. So with that being said, thank y'all for continuing to subscribe. We had 620 last time I checked. As soon as we get to 800, y'all, we will be doing that giveaway. And the third thing, I'm actually thinking about doing a Christmas giveaway. Christmas is next month. I still haven't decided on the giveaway I want to give for Christmas, but it's next month, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. And let's go ahead and get into this video. And this right here, that's going in the Catalina. That's a 6.0 right there, Vortec. I'm gonna show y'all the goodies I got for her real quick too. Go ahead and tell y'all everything that's coming with this car. So that's the 6.0 that's going up in there. I cleaned it up, waiting on the builder to tell me to drop it off. Shout out to LS Manning. Let's stop here. So right here we have a rear end that came out of a Caprice. The way I look at it, another man's trash is another man's treasure. This saved me a whole lot of money, y'all. It got the Moser cover on back, upgraded axles, extended studs already, trailing arms. It came with everything that I need, 14 gears in it already. It saved me a whole lot of money, y'all. So with that being said, we do have a rim for it already. We just got to install it. And here go, baby. I can't wait, y'all. If you need a pair of shoes, please holler at the team. Train to go. I will put our Instagram and stuff like that down in the description below. But if you need a pair of shoes as far as Ruchis, and you see someone on the site that you like, we will get them, y'all. Just let us know, and we'll get we'll talk some business with y'all. So with that being said, I know I got shortcut it last time. That's the rim that's going up in here, 14 gears and all this stuff already. Let's go ahead and get to it. We have this also. We got the bar that goes for the up on the car. And we also have these too. Forgot to add those. All right, y'all. So the first thing we're gonna start off with, this cam kit right here. So we have a cam motion cam kit. We got a cam motion cam kit. It came with everything that we need. Maybe I should turn the camera around, y'all, to make it easier on myself. We got a cam motion cam kit. We got the advanced. Well, I don't know what it is. I think these are springs. We got the premium polished dual valve spring kit, titaniums. Then we got the hardened push rods right here. That's the cam kit. Then we have we got the oil pump right here. We got that. I'm gonna have to turn the camera around on this one, y'all. Hold on one. I don't know why, but it seemed like I believe in these trailblazer intakes. And I say that because it's one on the 5.3 also. I've never seen how this intake perform. I don't know, I just like the way they look, I think. I don't know. But it's a trailblazer intake. And for the ones who don't know what a trailblazer is, it's the truck that y'all see riding around Vegas or wherever you live at. It's just the SS version of it. But yep, got the this one got the one on the 5.3 got 36-pound injectors. This one got 50-pound injectors. But yep, that's the trailblazer intake. Then let's get over here in this box real quick. We got the performance timing chain. We got the thrust plate, ARP stud bolts. Got a set of bolts. We got a set of lifters. And then in this right here is the that's the 102mm throttle body, Holley Sniper. And then we got the let me see. We got some head gaskets. So we got the head gaskets also. And then I gotta turn the camera around for this one. So this last thing that I'm about to show you guys, this is what killed me, y'all. And I say killed me because when I show y'all, some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not know, but we got a set of,
Boy.
What?
You ain't no big sticker, but anyway.
We got some trick flow heads. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, you know this right here, when I tell you, it broke my heart. It broke my heart. So we got some trick flow heads. Keep rocking with your boy. As soon as we hit 800 subscribers, we will be doing a cam giveaway. BTR NSR cams, $350. Like I said before, either you keep the cam or you sell the cam, it's free. So if you get the cam and you sell it, free $350. You can't lose with that. Then on top of that, it's proven to give you 66 horses. You can look it up yourself. It's already done and proven. Check out the sound. Check out everything it comes with. You don't need no springs, no push rods, no stall converter. You don't need none of that. So with that being said, stay tuned. As soon as we hit 800 subscribers, I got y'all. We at 618 right now. Thank y'all for subscribing. I will be racing this car. I have a couple races lined up already. And I say that to say this. I don't know how to drive. Just gonna be honest with y'all. Point blank period. I don't know who watched this video. I don't know, who be, you don't know who be watching videos until they share it or they tell you when they see you. But I don't know how to drive. I can admit that. A lot of people can't admit that. This is my first old school car I done built. It'll be on rims. Everybody races on rims now. The whole game has changed, I've been around cars since I was little, seen the races, seen everything. But as far as like actually physically having my own car, I haven't had that. So now that I do have my own car and I see how everything has changed, I'm going to go learn my car. Me and my boys, we're going to go out. We're going to know how to drive the car. We're going to learn everything. And I say that because I will be driving my own car. When it's time to race, I will be driving my own car. And I say that because I feel like you shouldn't have another man driving your car. You shouldn't. Like if it take another man to drive your car to make your car work, that's just like having your wife and you can't do what you need to do, so you have another man to come make it work. You feel me? So it's just simple as that. I mean, don't shoot me, don't beat me up. But that's just the way I feel. I'm gonna go learn how to drive the car, win, lose, or draw, blow it up, whatever. I want to be able to want to do it. I'm not a sore loser. I'm gonna shake your hand after. I'm gonna do everything, but I just want to race. I want to have fun, y'all. So if you in Vegas and you want to have some fun runs when this car get done, don't get me wrong. I don't know when the car gonna be done. I think I'm done right now, y'all. But when the car do get done and you want to have some fun and want to race me and stuff like that, only thing I request is for you to drive your own car. That's all, because I'm gonna drive my own car. I'm new to this. That's all I want you to do. Drive your car, win, lose, or draw. And it's just simple as that. I feel like that's the only way you gonna have the fun. Like, I remember the old shop days, y'all. Like, for the ones that live in Vegas, the old shop days, that used to be lit. When Trick Nick used to race 24/7, Bow Wow used to race 24/7. Boy, anybody who had something to say about racing, it wasn't no talking. They was lining it up on that back street back there by the shop, and they was getting to it. So with that being said, I just think we should bring that fun back. You feel me? So let's just get to it. That little truck, I plan on having some fun runs in that truck too. But that's my little work truck. But I definitely feel like having some fun runs in that truck just to have a little fun. Because that car won't be done no time soon. So with that being said, y'all, let's just have some fun. And I ain't talking no noise about nobody. I ain't trying to talk like I'm a big shot. I ain't trying to do none of that. All I'm saying is you build these cars and y'all let other people drive them, which is your own personal preference. But me personally, I'd rather drive my own car. So with that being said, when it's time to get to it, drive your car. But other than that, happy Thanksgiving to y'all again. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day. And don't forgive about, I said don't forgive. Don't forget about that cam giveaway that we'll be giving away as soon as we hit 800 subscribers. Other than that, your boy gone.